Greetings from our vacation in Brazil. As the year comes to a close, we wanted to share some of the highlights from this incredible year. Hi guys, we are in Brazil on vacation.
Floating on the water, I feel so free.
Marina joined us for this trip. We are on the river in Tramandaí in the south of Brazil. It's a beach where I could say I grew up here. We used to come every weekend of the year with my parents. They still have a house here by the water. So somehow I was also connected to the water since I was a kid. And we want to share with you some highlights. We actually wanted to record this video on a boat in Itapema at the Caixa d'Aço. There are hundreds of boats all docked together or anchored together on the water. Ari can tell you more about it, but it was not possible to record there because it started to rain.
No way. The weather changed and boating in Brazil. I'm gonna show you this boat life experience on another episode.
In another episode.
So as we cruise here with zero emissions in our nice canoe,
We want to share with you some of our highlights.
a lot of highlights. But before we start with the highlights, let us know what is your favorite content you would like to see from SolarYacht. Is it the room tours?
The view is oh so fine, luxurious living.
Welcome inside the Houseboat Yacht 70.
Or more boat events?
Off-boat jets, the new way to live. Luxury on water, it's a dream we can give. Raise your glass high and let's toast to the view.
Or more boat office days? We have already a comment from a subscriber who is asking for more specs about the SolarYacht, and we will come up with much more content.
Follow us and subscribe not to miss the exclusive room tour on this beautiful SolarYacht with an open loft layout. So we are in the middle of a river that meets the ocean in 400 meters from here. It's pretty cool. Just let me get your shirt here now. Never judge the captain by the size of his dinghy. Ha!
That's true.
Never judge the captain by the size of his dinghy. You can buy the shirt. It's on our collection.
Put your head, go down, there's a rod. Come in, hold on. Here it is. Okay.
They got a very big fish. Wow.
The highlights. Shorty, what was your highlights 2024?
My highlights? Venice boat show. The Venice boat show was amazing. Not just because we love the city, we think it's a world apart, because it's surrounded by water and everything works so normally on the water, just like we like. but also because of the results of the fair, of the boat show for us.
Whoa, this is a luxury. We couldn't have that.
We received so many people interested on our solar yacht from all over the world.
Also in Germany, it's in the river.
Yes, rivers and lakes. And really, I'm looking forward for 2025. This boat stays here in Venice. The boat show was so positive for us.
So I should start the gondolieri, right? I want to see a gondolieri here.
No, don't get up, don't get up. No,
I can
no.
do this. I can do this. Look here.
No.
In my next lifetime, I will be a gondolieri. Look,
Okay.
Look, it's very flat here. Look.
Okay, so probably you should not go in this direction. Go that direction.
I think it's too late. It's very flat. Look.
Okay. Okay, so let me continue. We are stuck here in the middle of the river. And okay, but my highlight was the boat show in Venice for sure. The big yachts that were there.
The boat show is one of the main international exhibitions in the sector, with 270 exhibitors and 300 boats on the water.
I also recommend you guys to check the room tour of the Aqua Venice, which
One
is
of our favorite boats.
yes. I want to show you inside this houseboat yacht. Let's do this tour. How about you, Arek? What is your highlight?
Jet ski ride.
Oh yeah, that was
Honestly.
cool. We should have an episode about this jet ski ride we did with friends to the city of Berlin. So we left our marina.
Stopped by the police.
It was under
Because
the
our
rain.
friend was speeding like crazy.
Yeah. Don't do that, guys.
No,
We do not recommend it.
So the jet ski ride was the funniest highlight, but my highlight for the company is the launch of the SolarStation.
Arkadiusz Raciewski, Gründer und Geschäftsführer von SolarYacht.
I was very proud that the federal ministry joined us on this launch.
This is a historic moment for the future of sustainable electric boating powered by solar and our SolarYacht company.
Welcome to SolarYacht. This is the world's first solar station.
The launch of the SolarStation was definitely a highlight. There is more coming up because we received very positive feedback from the boating community. People want to go electric but don't know how to charge. So this vision became a reality. We had this vision in 2022.
20.
Am I dreaming? No, I'm living in my dream.
4 years later, finally, the first station was launched and it was a pretty nice event.
SolarYacht invented the floating solar station to provide solar energy for boats on the water. The innovative floating solar station network is going to connect one of Germany's main inland waterways, from Brandenburg an der Hafen to Berlin, allowing boats to dock and recharge the batteries to avoid diesel generators and emissions on the water.
So this
Yeah,
is
it was
definitely
actually the opening of the Boat and Fun
boat show, yeah.
boat show in Berlin.
Exactly, a
It
good.
happened on the solar station. It was the official launch of the solar stations.
Yeah, and we will continue this partnership. We have a new concept coming up. We would like to show you more about electric boating, and we have this electric boat challenge. It's gonna be an
Yeah,
episode.
that's gonna be cool and fun. So tell me about your favorite solar yacht.
So we launched this year the new electric engine, 48 volt. So this was
Yeah.
cool.
The successful test drive of the SolarYacht 70 Electric, equipped with a groundbreaking 48-volt drive system, marks a significant milestone in our electrifying mission to revolutionize boating. This year, several new SolarYacht 70 models have joined our growing fleet. One of my favorite SolarYachts we have launched this year is also a new SolarYacht 70 with an open kitchen design that I designed together with the clients accordingly to the wishes of the new SolarYacht owners.
Also beautiful boat with a very light kitchen, I mean light colors.
Went viral on TikTok, so we have
Yeah, you're right. Yes.
millions of views, likes.
Take a deep breath.
So Arek, tell us about the water toys. What?
We love water toys.
Yes, but there is one.
There are more.
Seems to
There are
be your
e-foil.
favorite this year.
Of course, the quadrifoil was a highlight this year. Unfortunately, it's back in the service. It's a very
Can you
new
show
toy.
a video here now?
We will show some videos.
Okay, because just in quadrifoil.
Yeah, it
Maybe
has
doesn't-
millions of views on YouTube actually, this toy, and we have it in Germany, the first one. Pretty cool, and it's foiling. It looks like a go-kart on the water. It's fully electric, can be charged with solar energy from our boats. Pretty nice toy. We will show some videos and keep you posted about this toy, how it works, the capacity of battery, how fast it is, the range and everything. Das war eine Kurve!
Sensationell.
Okay, so what's in for next year? We have a new order for a new entry model, the 30, second generation of the 30.
It looks so beautiful.
New model, it has a design upgrade. This is going to be a cool project. We will try to take you on the journey from the beginning, from the order, from the first scratch to the delivery. We will try to keep you posted here and create some episodes. And actually we're looking forward to a lot of nice sunny boat life days.
I feel so free on this houseboat yacht. It's the place to be, 360 degrees. The view is oh so fine, luxurious living. This life is all mine.
So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching our episodes. I hope to see you next year, and we hope you could enjoy the highlights of this past year, 2024. And I'll see you next year. Bye.
Floating on the water, I feel so free on this houseboat yacht. It's the place to be, 360 degrees. The view is oh so fine, luxurious living. This life is all mine. From party to sun, drinks in my hand. Dancing on the deck to the beat we command.
beautiful.